there is a dead bird in our backyard. So what happened is he came in and hit his head off that window and cracked his neck. And then I got the job throwing it off the porch, and I ended up just dropping it. And then it hit its head off the rock and died right here. Here's the dead bird corpse. Yay. My grandmother said I should have pitched it because I'm practicing softball, but dead bird corpse. Yay. Thank you. If you ever need to study what a chickadee looks like, dead corpse. Here is dead bird corpse. They're beautiful, I know. Like, I was feeling it earlier, and it's soft. Holy frick, did it just move? Holy frick. This poor bird. Imagine if it's just knocked out. I'll go put it over by the tree. Come on, birdie. Oh yeah, look at that beautiful bird corpse action right here. Beautiful dead bird corpse. There we go. You get to live right here now. Dead bird corpse. Let's not put it on its head. Oh yeah, look at that. I just like playing with the dead bird corpse. Oh, there we go. Beautiful position. This is where this dead bird corpse will stay until I play with it again. I just like to come out and take photos of dead bird corpses.